Come on, you gonna come out.
You gonna get mad.
Are you on YouTube? Hey, look at forget. You know the real ones?
Mine are real.
Now, which one real?
Look at the bottom. You know mine are real. Okay, what's the difference?
Oh no, I got Adidas right there in the inside.
Do it say Adidas on the bottom?
No, I say 46.
Mine say Adidas on the
Let me see
bottom.
yours.
Brandon,
I'm holding you up, girl. Boy, they got everything, boy. Hospital.
It's your first time, bro. I got you a picture with you,
Man,
man.
my first time.
This is first time.
Yeah,
Oh, that's Brando, you know that glossy like soprano. That challenger camo, big dripping the fists in the shoes. The latest, don't wait in no line for no kicks. See the plug, they pay you with that paper, that's true. Money stacked all to the roof. Car way too fast, that new coupe big over.
What's going on YouTube, man? Oh, that's Brando. Giving another video for y'all today, man. You can see I'm not energetic because it's like 5 o'clock in the morning. And as you see in the thumbnail and the title, getting y'all some content out of state, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, family trip, man. We going to Florida, man. About to get lit. So right now we getting some gas. You know what I'm saying? About to hit the road. I'm gonna just turn it back on, man. But go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. We on the way to 5K. Like this video and drop a comment. We want to turn it back on, man. Out. I ain't gonna cat to you, bro. It's a big ass gas station, bro. Buc-ee's, Warner Robins. That's a big ass goddamn gas station. So yeah, we back on the road. Had to stop, you know what I'm saying, get something to eat. We got a little 5-6 hour drive. And I'm gonna turn it back on once at the next stop. Yes, sir.
Quiet as it's kept, man, I'm that nigga now. I ain't even gonna hold you, I'm the nigga now. Quiet as it's kept, man, I'm that nigga now. All that.
Boy, as you can see, we made it to Florida, but ooh, we got about another hour and a half to go, man. Florida's different, bro. The heat is hot. They don't have no QT. You know, Georgia, we have QT. They got Wawa and Holland and shit. Yeah, we got about another hour and a half. You know what I'm saying? Nice little drive, smooth. It's just hot. These folks act like they never saw a black YouTuber out here, so it's kind of weird, like, you know what I'm saying, vlogging and shit. But make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. We outside, man. We on the road to 5K. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment. Look at a whole vlog of my vacation with the fam. We outside. Yeah, so it's just different. It's just different, bro. Like, there's no QT, bro, nowhere. It's just nothing but Wawa. So, and they like they never saw black YouTuber, bro. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna turn it back on once we get to the location. Like this video, Brando out again.
Quiet as it's kept, man, I'm that nigga now. I ain't even gonna hold you, I'm the nigga now. Quiet as it kept, man, I'm that nigga now. Oh damn, I'm that nigga now. Oh damn, I'm that nigga now. I ain't even gonna.
Over there, he stayed by the car like.
Oh, you thought the red? Hey, but that drink was good as fuck, my own God, boy. That bill was hitting, boy. So goddamn. You about to drive that bit, bro? You about to drive that bit, bro? You gonna drive? Oh, wait, we out here, boy. You know what fuck going on, man. Good drink, you feel me? They going to the liquor store, might get some more drink. What tour is it? We're on, twin. What we sipping on? What we on?
This motherfucking cotton candy motherfucking I ain't never had it before, but it's gonna be good. So yeah, and then we got the buzz
A
ball.
little sunlight, a little sunlight. That's that bad boy right there. That's that baseball bat, you feel me? See what I'm saying? What you say? Okay, hey, we do whatever you want to do. We do whatever you want to do.
Hold you, I'm that nigga now.
I like that.
Quiet as it's kept, man, I'm that nigga now. I ain't even gonna hold you, I'm the nigga now. Quiet as it kept, man, I'm that nigga now. Oh damn, I'm that nigga now. Oh damn, I'm that nigga now. I ain't even gonna hold you, I'm that nigga now. Quiet as it's kept, man, I'm that nigga now.
Oh, there's a bathroom down here. Oh, no, I thought, no, it's not a garage. I thought it was, it's a fake one. Oh, you can open it from the outside, unless you gotta. Yeah, you can open it from the outside.
I got these bitches on my dick, but that just promo. I told them catch me if you can, like I'm Han Solo. And that's me, I be rolling rollers out the dojo. I got these haters on my back like Quasimodo. She want it, I got that, my weight up like spot mesh. She south y'all like boxing, untrain them, Harachis, I blaze them, your highness. We roll them like eyelets, I'm for sure like islands. By Burnquist, I'm grinding. I woke up, chose violence. I woke up, 5,000, Sauconys, 5,000. I'm Audi, 5,000. Them do hoes, I'm browsing. I'm low-ski, like slouching, no broski, not vouching. Yo hoski, I crouching, I switch them, I swap out, I hop in, then hop out. Like watch out, that Glock out, like cleavage, don't pop out. I'm flowing, arousing, she horny, arousing. Them horses, that blicky, it look like I'm jousting. They pussy like lions, and climbing, and mountains.
Boy, if you know me, boy, you know I had to bring my PS5, bro. I play no games at all. About to hand out some dubs on my vacation. Let's subscribe to the channel, man. Like this video, dropping bangers, dog.
It's skating, these bitches evading, I'm fading, I'm spacing. He want it, I cop that, my weight up like spot man. She south.
Well, you see the score, bro. Had to give my Falcons a break. I had the Bills. Bro had Carolina 0-14 on the PS5. Anybody can catch L's, man. Vacation at home, after work, before work, anytime.
Quasimodo, I got these bitches on my dick, but I just promo. I told them catch me.
Good morning, good morning. Day 2. I'm going to show y'all the view. You know what I'm saying? Wake up. Boy, crazy night, boy. I don't never do that hot chip challenge. But it's a view, man. It's not bad. It's a nice little room. I mean, I say room. Nice little Airbnb. You already know I'm about to hop on the PS5, man. So I'm waiting for everybody else to get up. They out there smoking. Wait for everybody else to get up and see what today brings, man. Yes, sir. Man, that boy quit, man. What going? Your boy quitting? Your boy quitting already? First game? Bro, quitting already, boy. Alright, bro, we in Walmart down in Florida. These folks do not know what excuse me mean, bro, at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we eating on, you know what I'm saying? Show you the snacks, I'm gonna show you everything we got. But these folks do not know what excuse me are, bro. So you gotta walk like you NBA young boy. Walk through them, act like you don't see them and everything, bro. But I'm trying to find out what my folks said so I can show you what we got. I'm gonna turn back on. Oh God, this is the best cereal. Huh? This is the best cereal, bro. What cereal y'all think is better?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Bro, no, bro. This is the best cereal, bro. This is the best cereal, bro. Bro saying Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This is the best cereal, bro. We had to pick one, but I think this is the best cereal. Y'all let me know in the comments. This is by far the best cereal out there, bro. Oh God, damn. Excuse you too, shit. I don't know what excuse me mean, bro. These folks don't know shit out here, bro. All right, so we got a little bit of everything, little thing, you know, make some French toast. You feel me? I'm telling you, bro. I think, bro, this is not the best cereal, bro. Y'all let me know who the best cereal is. This Captain Crunch, really. Orange juice, the best apple juice ever, bro. Best apple juice ever, bro. Thank me later. Got the eggs, you know, pancakes, chips, you know, something light, bro. You know what I'm saying? Something to get up through the day. Good drink. On God, bro. What you think the best cereal is?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
No, it's not the best cereal, bro. It's not. Captain Crunch is the best cereal, bro. Yeah, let me know in the comments, bro. What is your best cereal, bro? It's really Captain Crunch. Well, my mom is Captain Crunch. Hey, you see, it sound like nothing major, little fruit snacks. My bad, bro. Well, somebody finally said excuse me here. Shout out to bro. But a little sound light though, bro. Yeah, see, nothing major, bro. You know, typical. Sound light, but I'm gonna throw this away, bro, and get something else. But it's the best apple juice, though. Oh God, it's the best apple juice. So yeah, you know, I don't cook no breakfast. I'm gonna leave it to them. But yeah, something light. What's up? Mama, bro, you gotta go to Charlie's, bro. We got. What is it? Where is the Charlie's in Atlanta at?
Outlet.
Yeah.
Yeah, at Lennox.
There's one at Lennox too. Yeah, Lennox and then they 500 or 575.
Yeah, you definitely gotta stop by Charlie's. We definitely gotta stop by Charlie's when you pull up. The only one that's in Georgia is like up the road, like Outlets and Lennox, but we found one. Oh God, boy, you can't sleep on this, bro. You can't sleep on Charlie's, bro. If you know, you know, bro. Oh God, they go crazy. Bro, that bitch a gator, bro. It's a gator right there, bro. Bro, that bitch about to shoot out.
You said it's a baby though, oh God.
They're not no fucking baby, bro.
That is a baby. Look how small his mouth, his head is.
Is it baby?
Oh, there you go. It coming. It coming.
Oh God, that's a baby.
Come here, boy.
It's not a dog. Why would you?
Well, I'm next to you. I can't even get my camera.
I'm trying to see.
I don't even want to look away for 2.
It's a dog.
It's right here.
Yeah, it's a baby.
There you go, right there. Hey.
I know how to make it come out.
It's right there.
The mama gonna come out.
No, don't throw nothing. Don't throw nothing. No.
No, don't throw nothing. They fast now.
They are fast.
What's going on, boy?
I don't think he's faster than me.
What's going on, boy?
I already was playing too much saying he was gonna come.
Watch me come out that water and start running.
I already told her that I was gonna come with you.
What's going on, boy?
He recording.
Well, that's how you know we live in Florida, bro. All rooms over here. Nigga right here chilling. On God. Come on, go and get out. Say something for the camera. Hey, throw something else in the water.
No, I don't keep throwing that. Y'all crazy too. Little kid.
Come on,
We're gonna come out.
You finna get mad. Oh, it's a different. Oh, that is him.
Yeah, that's a baby though. We can catch him.
Bro, throw one thing. Throw something else.
No.
Throw in the weed, bro.
He gonna run out. He gonna get mad.
Well, hey.
I'm not waiting for nobody.
I ain't got no bread or nothing.
I'm out of here.
No, bro. Look.
Where he at?
Hey, right there. Yeah.
Oh,
Munch. Good job, boy. Come on. Come on, boy. I got that thing for you, boy. Yeah. Yeah, we good.
The other one just popped up out the water.
Right, exactly.
That good. We got that good bread for you, boy.
What's over there?
Right there.
Oh, shit.
There's something just moving over there, though. You see that? Like, moving like what? He was like that. Like that.
He ain't done.
You trying to think about it.
He ain't getting out the water. He don't want to get out the water.
He think we're gonna catch him.
Bro, you good, bro?
You like, nigga, I ain't that dumb, nigga. I ain't doing that dumb.
Hey.
Oh. Oh, this ain't no. Oh, y'all like this a fish. He cute.
I haven't reached.
You gonna be out of gallery?
I'm gonna get everything.
That junk
Hey,
finna.
Brandon, you better keep your hand away from that water, boy.
Nah, you could train a gator though. I seen somebody train a gator.
White or black?
Good job.
He was white.
You can't even train. You can't train something that ain't cool.
Hey, Brandon, they ain't no gator in there now.
Nah, for real.
No, for real.
That's a dog park.
Oh, what's your boy? Hey, scared. That boy started twerking. That boy started.
Nah, I think we got him
He's
comfortable.
so cute. It's the way he do his head sideways. Right there. That ain't gonna be the first he put this.
Huh?
Do I want one?
Good morning, good morning. Unfortunately, you see everything is packed. We're not going back home, but we gotta get another room. Man, we came back from a day of being out, bro. Roaches everywhere, bro. Like, on God, it looked nice. Don't get me wrong, it looked nice, man, but it was roaches everywhere, bro. Like, to the point we couldn't eat, couldn't cook shit or nothing, bro. It was, how you open this shit? It was a ton of roaches everywhere. Like, it was everywhere, bro, like, everywhere. Huh? Oh, no, you good, what's up? All right, bro, so like I was saying, bro, yeah, place was filled with roaches. So we about to go to the other, they moved us in another spot, man, so we about to go check it out. Let's go. So here go the new spot we at. Look the same, but it's a couple things we missing. Yeah. About the same. Hopefully the place don't got no roaches. Yes, oh yeah, you see the bait, a little jerk, not a little jerk, but yeah, it's so hopefully we don't have no roaches, man. It sucks, we had to move all our stuff up out of here, but I'm gonna cut you back on and see what we got going on today. Yes, sir. All right, bro. So we at this truck stop place, food truck place, whatever you want to call it. And there are food trucks all around here, bro. So we trying to see what's out here, what's to eat, and we'll go from there. I'll show you guys yams. So yeah, as you can see, food trucks everywhere around here. We dead, so I'm trying to see what we're gonna find to eat. I don't know, about to find out, but I'm gonna turn it back on, bro. I really want some goddamn fried Oreos. That should look good. So I'm gonna turn it back on once I find something. Yes, sir. To me, cause when you say McDonald's, I'm thinking of a Big Mac, a burger, nuggets, fries, typical. But here they got pasta, pizza, tacos, and all this cake, all this extra shit is blowing me. So I'm gonna go check it out. We in Florida, you know what I'm saying? Everybody will see it. So I'm gonna turn it back on once we get there. Yes, sir. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, ugly. Yeah, we here. This shit big as hell though, on God it is. My mama shit big. Boy, they got everything, boy. Pasta, you got pizza. This is crazy, bro. I got a fry with it. I got hot tea. Well, I got everything in here, bro. This is crazy. I went to the bakery right here. But I got a damn bakery. There's no way in hell, bro. They got omelets. They got toast. The options is crazy here. This is crazy. God damn, but I can go out to eat for this price. $1 tripping. Yeah, please.
Hella ass and hella ass.
That shit big as hell.
Are you on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Oh, man.
Appreciate it. Oh, yeah, appreciate it. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Bruh snapping. On God, he is.
This your first time, bro? Like, I get a picture with you,
Yeah,
man.
this my first time.
This your first time.
Yeah, this my first time here.
You know, this led him to the bathroom.
But what are you talking about? You did Tom.
30 minutes later. Brandon, what sent you to the bathroom?
Pasta.
What you don't eat at McDonald's now?
Pasta.
She said 30.
Well, it was too hot to eat, man. So we at the New Balance store. I'm really just snapping onto these locations back to back. No point me showing out the road and shit like that. So I'm going to see what's in the New Balance store, see if I can find something, and let's see what I can get. Sure. Yo, these are hard. These tough. These are hard, bro. I might go and get these, bro. I need them. What size? 13. They don't have my size, bro. Them is hard, bro. Oh God, y'all can't even cap. Y'all can't even cap about that. Them hard. They don't have my size, bro. But let's see what else we can find. Since we in the store, let me show you what's on feet. And you know what I'm saying? Gucci socks, Yeezy, something light. You feel me? You feel me? Come on, bro. He check, bro. Don't play with him. Oh yeah, there my boy went in the back. Damn, boy. Long feet, that bro. Don't tell. I like this. Don't play with him, boy. Little bro got good taste, man. Ooh.
That orange nice. But these different though.
Yeah, them different.
Like Oregon.
I like that pink though.
I like them.
That pink right there hard. Yeah,
Oh, that's that Oregon?
That's that Oregon.
Yeah, that's color.
Got a little bit of sun and everything. You feel me?
Which ones you don't like?
But look what's on feet. Don't play with him.
You like these too?
That boy, my boy went in the back, man. My boy went in the back, man.
You don't like them?
Hey, what you think about them, Reek? You like them?
Oh, this is big.
Reek, you like them?
Oh, okay.
Boy got the shoes on the floor.
Would you say you didn't like them?
What we got, bro?
New Band. Ooh,
Stop playing.
Flavors.
On God.
Got no flavors
Stop
now.
playing with my boy Trim, man. Stop playing. My boy pull up and cash out, man. What I'm talking about, man. Look at the walk, bro. My boy ready to cash out, bro. I know that feeling about to get some new shoes, bro. Look at the walk, bro. How you feel, bro? Okay. Yes, sir. Hey, hold the door for him, bro. My boy's celebrity right now. My boy's celebrity right now. Yes, sir.
Getting started.
Okay. Well, we at the mall of Millennium or something like that. Big ass mall though. Big ass mall. Yes, sir. But I had to get some of that chicken. Get some of that fried rice. Some of that cat and dog. You feel me? Sir, it's only right, boy. And I wanted Charlie, but we went there yesterday. So, you know, we had to switch it up. You know what I'm saying? Get some of that dog chicken. Shout out to Momo. You know, Momo got me right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got me a little bit of that. Meow. Bark, yeah, there. Ugly. Hey, look at
Like this. Got them.
What you got, bro? Check it out, bro. You got what you got? I got little son, you know, Auntie got a little son, man, little drip. That's my boy. Let me see what my boy got. Boy got a little regular shirt. Okay, feel me? Sound like on the light day. Let me see, man. They got the matching top at the bottom. This is like a little, you know, a little something you just throw on. Okay.
Got rid of the other food.
What else we got? Oh, you got the matching set on there too? Oh yeah, my boy put that shit on, boy. I stopped playing with him. Yes, sir. Stop playing with him. You just got to stuff that shit in there.
I'm big Charlie Polo.
That boy got the heat.
Them 8 cards.
55.
I know
Instead of
more
80.
than 60.
We give 55 right now. No, she want all of them 55.
I like this.
She said that's 30.
It's $40 for you.
40, yeah. So 50 for all, 55 for all of
You can
them.
have one, you can have one. So then y'all both will have your own picture.
Yeah, so run it 55.
So then just get those two.
Hey, those the real ones?
Mine are real.
Now, which one real?
You know mine are real. Okay, what's the difference?
Oh no, I got Adidas right there in the inside.
Do it say Adidas on the bottom?
No, I say 46.
Mine say Adidas on the
Let me see
bottom.
yours.
Brandon,
Holding you up, girl.
Yeah. Her say Adidas, yeah.
Okay, so that's the only difference?
Yeah, in the
That's
inside.
the only difference?
In the inside, that's it.
Okay.
59. That's 59.
So you gotta
59? Oh, that's a bullshit.
She got the whole thing.
$80 and they real.
Exactly.
But I mean, you know, they limited. I won the raffle.
Yeah. Damn.
I get the real ones.
I was just comparing them.
Boy, they snap with these hoes, boy. You gotta know about give me up here, bro. On God. Alright, bro, we in the Gucci store. I ain't gonna lie, Slick wanna get these, bro. These hard. I got no Gucci sauce, by the way, so don't play on me. Oh God, don't play on me. They bit tough as fuck too.
How much that jacket is?
Shit don't have the price on it, hoe.
Maybe probably like 2,000.
Yeah, the price not even on this. You don't see the price, but it be hard though. It be hard. I'm sure it's tough too though.
This shit, bro. Y'all is
Bro, no, bro. Y'all like this, bro? Y'all, no, bro. Whoever did that, bro, that collab that they did is terrible, bro. But we in the Gucci store, man. In the Gucci store. These tough too. I like those. I'm hard.
I thought you stopped that Affleck thing.
From the creators of Rogue One and the director of the Bourne.
We just made an Instagram account for this location, so feel free to follow us and tag us on our story.
Brother, skip this bill, got 2 to 9. I'm blue to try. Going.
Man, you see where we at, man. We at the beach, Daytona Beach. You know, I don't pour water like that, but you know, I had to get out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Let the toes soak in the sand. You feel me? You feel me? I could swim back there, but you know, I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it today. But we out here, man. We out here, you know what I'm saying? Enjoying this Florida weather. Not like Georgia, bro, but it's straight. You know what I'm saying? It's straight. Can I see myself moving out here? No. But yeah, the weather nice. I think, you know, water in the toes, you feel me? Just a good vibe, man. Good vibe, you know what I'm saying? I had to stop by here before I go back home, but you know, freaky ass, booty ass, freaky ass. We outside. Going on, man. Y'all see where we at, man. We at Daytona Beach, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all for watching. Hey, man, one thing about it, bro, you work hard, I work hard. At least let life be worth it. Enjoy life, you know what I'm saying? Take a vacation. I know time is short, you know what I'm saying? Life is short. You don't know when we're going to go. So you might as well just, you know what I'm saying, stack some bread up, put some to the side time you get paid, and enjoy life. Take a vacation. You could go an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours from where you at. As long as you get away from where you at, you know what I'm saying, enjoy life, you know what I'm saying, look at the scenery. That's all that matters. So, you know what I'm saying, appreciate y'all for watching, man. You know what I'm saying, I know this is a long video, but you sat there and watched it. That's why you the best. Thank you for your support. Make sure you subscribe to the video. I'm on the way to 5K. But think about it. If I could do it, you could do it.